Hey everybody, I'm here with my new Growth Collaborative box. It came this week. I just haven't had time to film it, so I'm going to quickly film it here. I don't want to, oh, where it is, there you go, Growth Collaborative. I don't want to take a lot of time. I just want to show you what I bought this particular time. And actually, there was something I didn't show you last time. I believe it's a 16-ounce glass bottle, and this is glass cleaner. So what would you would do is you would empty this into this and add water, and voila, you have glass cleaner. Now, most of the time when we're buying product in plastic bottles, what we're doing is we're paying for the plastic, we're paying for water, because this is all we need to fill this bottle. So it's very economical to do it this way. They have glass cleaner. I believe they have all-purpose cleaner and something else. I'm not even going to lie. I don't know. I'm new to the community, but I love it. Down below, you'll find a link to get your own. I think it's a 5-piece gift if you order through my link. And try it out, because I bought it the first time and I said, well, if I don't like it, I'll just cancel. But there was a few things that I really enjoyed, so I decided to go ahead and order the next box. This here, ultra soft tissues. It's called Seedlings by Grove. These are made with 100% sustainable bamboo and sugarcane. These are super strong. I just went through a bout of allergies, and I have issues with tissues. Well, anyways, I have issues with tissues, so these, I figured, I bought one box before. I said I'll give it a shot, see what happens, and see if I like them. I love them, absolutely love them, so I bought 4 more. I bought a 16-ounce fluid dish soap last time in basil. I wasn't crazy about the scent at first, but I absolutely love it now. It cuts grease and it really does your dishes really well. So what I did was I bought the refill pack for that. This I bought the last time. It just happened to be in the general area, so I grabbed it and put it in here. 7th Generation, I really stand by their products as well. All this, I stand by their dish soap. I'm not sure, I don't remember, honestly, if I had an issue or not with it cutting grease or not, but I liked using it, and I want to say it really did cut grease, because I wouldn't have bought it again. But I bought the Free and Clear because, as you know, I have eczema really bad, and so this helped with my hands. But the basil one, because I think it's because it's scented with essential oils, I did not have a problem with washing my dishes. I bought the what's it called? Bubble Up. This is the dish brush, and the other thing is a little round container, and you pour dish soap in it and water, fill it with water, and you kind of like do one of these things, so you get soap on your brush, and soap on your brush, and you wash your dishes. I really enjoyed this. It did not scratch my good pots and pans. I absolutely love my pots and pans that I got for Christmas last year, and I would have had it fit if it scratched them. So this is great. And I even used it on my stove. I sprayed stuff and used it on my stove. So before my other one gave way, I bought another one. These, I don't know why I bought these a second time, because I never used the first ones, but these are scrubbers. It says, I'm a tough scrubber with a soft touch. So I'm going to open those, or one of them, and use it. I also bought a 3-piece set and a candle, all in the pumpkin spice scent. This is Mrs. Meyer's. Like I said again, I really enjoy her products. This one is a multi-surface everyday cleaner. I have one in Compassionate Flowers, and if you order today, well, not if you order today, but if you order, look for that scent. It's really, really nice. I ordered it by accident. I didn't mean to the last time, but I'm happy that I did because it smells wonderful. I use it in the kitchen and the bathroom, and it cleans really well. Um, it says removes dirt and freshens surfaces. Now, honestly, if you want a deep clean, I'm just going to be honest, this is probably not the cleaner that you want to use because it's not an antibacterial cleaner, but just for quick pickups and a nice smell. But this one is pumpkin spice, so I'm going to try it for the holidays. And I also bought the dish soap and also pumpkin spice. And the hand soap. The hand soap is made with olive oil and aloe vera. I did not have a problem with the hand soap I bought last month. I bought the lavender. This time I bought the spice. It was a set, so I decided to go with it and try it. Every month I think I'm going to try a different one until I get the one that I really, really like. I do like the Compassionate Flower. I think that's what it was called. But like this one, it's a limited edition. So was that one. So I'm not sure that will be there the next time I go to order it. But if it is, I'm going to order it just so I have it because I really like it. And then this is a candle. It's a limited edition soy candle. It's limited edition because it's pumpkin spice. But they do have other candles. I don't know how this burns. I'm going to test it out and I'll get back to you on that one. So this is my Grove Collaborative set and a couple things from last month that I got this month. If you would like your own 5-piece free set, please go below, click on the link for Grove Collaborative and order your own. Like I said, I'm really impressed with their products. Nothing really impresses me, but give it a shot because it's some great stuff. I'm going to try this window, this glass cleaner for my windows and just things around the house, my mirrors and stuff, and I will let you know. So I will come back with a how did I like it video, a review. I will come back with a review on all this. So I hope you have a great night and try Grove. You won't be sorry. Good night.